Hi friends, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of this really cute dinosaur painting kit. It's from Innocheer and it's designed for ages 3 and up. You got all these little white dinosaurs. You got 7 dinosaurs. And then it comes with this cute little palette that you can put your paint in. A set of 4 paintbrushes of different sizes and colors. 2 paint deals here with a variety of colors. And it also comes with a set of 4 sheets of stickers. Before I let them in here, I'm going to get this all set up and then we'll get started. Guys, let's get out our dinosaurs. We're going to paint. I'm going to put the stickers aside for now. Alright, look at this. Pick a color. Which one? Which one? Pick one.
I'm gonna bring
that one. This one? Okay. Well, let me. Pick a color, Jamison.
that one.
This one? Brown. Okay. Get out your paintbrushes.
You will open the two boxes.
Pick another color. Which color?
Got it.
The red one? Alright, you pick a color.
That one.
The pink one?
Pink one. Yeah.
Blue or green or black?
Black.
Pick a color.
And this one.
Orange?
Yeah.
Alright. One more color, guys. Pick one more color. Which one? Or
that
green?
one.
That one?
Blue.
Okay. There you go. You got the paintbrushes out. Alright. Pick a dinosaur. Pick one dinosaur. Oh, there you go. Look, he's got the idea. Look. Yeah. Here, Mommy wants to do one too, okay? I want this one. See, look, you painted. What do you think? Is this fun? You like this? Silence is usually a good sign. So I grabbed an old ugly sheet from upstairs and brought it down and spread it over the table so we have a nice big space that we can get all painted and messy if we want. This is fun, huh? Like I said, silence. They are happy. You can paint it to look however you want. You like to paint?
I want to paint
Thomas, do you like painting?
the thing.
It's fun. Wow, so I have found a toy, a project here that will give you a time of silence. This is kind of a rare moment here, guys. 3-year-old twins, they're never this quiet. Comes with a nice variety of fun colors. I get paint all over my hands here, but that's okay. I'll just kind of show you. I didn't really finish it yet, but little red dino. This will be helpful. I went and grabbed a roll of paper towels. Oh, baby.
I painted Dinosaurs.
Yeah. So, a recommendation I would have is to get them some kind of nice little painting bibs to not ruin their clothes. He's about to grow out of this shirt, and he is too, so it's not a huge deal if they don't come clean in the wash, but hopefully they will. This will be a little bit of a messy project, but I think this is a great idea for kids who are just learning to do more art in projects and things. It helps with creativity, and I like that they just kind of have the freedom to get messy, pick the colors they like, and they love dinosaurs, so it's a perfect combo for these two. Hey, you want to show them your dinosaur? Look at that. Is that cool or what?
Cool.
You like this, guys?
Like it.
Say thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.